This year, industry leaders like ESCO and Johnstone Supply are on a quest for new educational solutions. We have all embarked on a journey unlike any other, into the unknown, in search of new ways to study, to learn, and to participate. So this summer, it's lights, camera, and action. Take your classes to a new level. Virtual classrooms.
Welcome to the 2021 HVAC Excellence Virtual Conference. We thank you all for joining us. And welcome to my virtual classroom. At least one of my virtual classrooms. I have a variety of places that I broadcast from, but I spend quite a bit of time doing it right here at home in my office. I've got a couple more that we'll preview a little bit later that I put together out in the garage side of the house. So one of the things that we had to endeavor to do when COVID happened was to reach out with our education and be able to find different means of getting our education to our contractors, to our vendors, to students, to a variety of different places, sometimes all at once. And with the limitations of being able to interact with people, we had to start using technology. Fortunately, the technology has been around for a while. And for the 2020 conference, I did a class on virtual education and the benefits of using some of these new softwares and new programs to be able to broadcast to large groups of people. Now what we're starting to see is the benefit of that. So I want to take it a step further and talk about virtual classroom atmospheres, where we can broadcast from one location or multiple locations all at the same time, and we can send that information live to a variety of different classrooms.